Hey guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today I enjoy Japanese gyudon. Do you know gyudon? Gyudon is Japanese beef dish on the rice. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, cut the ingredient. Remove the onion root and skin. Today, I use half an onion. Cut the core of the onion and chop it into small pieces. This part is edible, so don't throw it away. Cut the onion into cubes about 10 mm wide. Turn on the heat. Put the oil in the frying pan and heat it up. Add onions. Fry them. Once the onions are cooked, add 200 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet sake, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you have Japanese-style dashi powder, add 2 grams of it to the frying pan. Mix them well and heat until boiling. Once the soup is boiling, reduce the heat to low and add the meat. Place the meat evenly in the frying pan, trying to avoid overlapping the place of the meat as much as possible. Once the meat is cooked on one side, flip them over. Simmer it for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, if the meat is cooked through, turn off the heat. The beef dish is completed. Arrange the beef dish on top of the rice. Place plenty of meat and onions on top of the rice. In Japan, a gyudon filled with plenty of soup is called tsuyodaku. Finally, top with Japanese red pickled ginger. Japanese street food gyudon is completed. There are many gyudon restaurants in Japan. Many of these restaurants are open 24 hours a day, and many Japanese people enjoy gyudon conveniently. I also recommend that you go to a gyudon restaurant when you visit Japan.
Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese gyudon? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!